Hey guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to Barbie Punk. So today I'm getting ready for a pool party. Normally I would not put any makeup on, but I actually wanted to try out a new foundation. And what better way to test a foundation than 91-degree heat and a pool and drinking. So we're gonna do that today. I'm just gonna try this out. And that's pretty much it. So this is the new foundation from Beauty Blender. It is called Bounce. I got it in 2.40, which is a neutral shade, and I'm hoping that it works on my face. I'm not going to say much about the drama surrounding this product. Basically, they had a focus on the medium skin tone range, and I'm just hoping that in the future they will expand. It seems like they do, because all the like lights and deep range end in 0, and the mid-tones have some like 0.45, 0.40, 0.35, 0.30, and all these are like 0.30, 0.40, 0.50. So I'm thinking they gave themselves room to grow, and that's my hope. But they do need to step it on up. So comes in this little package here. It feels really heavy. I've opened it on the bottom. Ooh. And it looks like this. Has like a little lock switch. I suppose if you're traveling with it, you can lock it right here, and then things like squishing it won't ruin your entire bag of makeup, which is nice. So the stats, because apparently people do this. I always think it's boring, so I'm going to try to get through it as quick as possible. It says it's full coverage, velveteen finish, moisture boosting hydrolonic acid, and antioxidant rich white birch extract. It's supposed to be weightless. Like, read it on the back of here. And it is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. This is it. Again, I got shade 2.4. All my life I've been thinking like I'm warm toned, but I wear so much like cool toned things that I was thinking maybe I might be neutral. Like, I don't know. You can let me know in the comments, but I'm very confused and annoyed by that whole situation. Anyway, it's supposed to be like a little innovative, like you pump it off onto this and then you use your Beauty Blender on it, which is kind of annoying to me because like then like this little hole here right in there gets all goopy and you can't clean it out. I did like a little swatch to see if this worked on my face, and then I tried to clean the stuff out of the hole so I could show it to you. It just looked dumb. So that's a design flaw that I'm unsure about, but I'll just like pump a couple in. I don't think this has SPF in it, so I put a moisturizer with SPF on my face. And right now I'm just putting my usual primer just kind of on my nose and my forehead, the T-zone. And then I'm going to take this pristine Beauty Blender, because I am a professional, and I'm gonna just like go in, I guess. Should probably get a mirror out. Yeah, it was looking like probably a good match. So I like to do like a quick like rough spread, and then do some setting spray, and then blend it in. It is also an excellent day to test foundation because I have several zits. I feel like I'm gonna want some more of that first. And as you can see, now the bottle looks really gross, and all that is just like wasted goop. and that little hole there, that's just forever gonna have foundation in it. It's just, you know. Is that my skin color? Hey Mike, does that look like my face?
Yeah.
So, it's good.
I mean,
Doesn't look like my face?
eh.
Oh no. Well, it's bad then. Pool party, so I'm not gonna wear too much makeup. So I'm just gonna cover my zits even more. Here's it. Here's it. Did a pretty good job covering them though. We're gonna add a little bit of powder. And then since it's a pool party, we're not really gonna do much else. I'm gonna do a little bronzing. Definitely need to do my brows. I'm just gonna do like the lightest amount of eyeshadow because I have hooded eyes and I feel like I have to. So I'm just taking like a taupe. Curling my lashes, waterproof mascara. Alright, and then I'm going to do a little bit of highlight. This is Benefit What's Up. What's up? Because what's like light bulbs. Going over all of that was just the two bottom colors of this Laura Mercier Shimmer Mosaic block. So, this is how my face looks. It is noonish. It is 91 degrees out. It will probably only get hotter, and I will check in with you to see how my face looks after all this. But so far, I think I chose the right color, approximately. It feels nice on my skin. Doesn't feel like greasy or oily or anything. It's not too thick. Feels good from like, you know, a really hardcore professional, as you can tell by how pristine my beauty blender is. This foundation seems like foundation. So I'm gonna leave this on my face, see how it wears throughout the day, and again, I'll give you my super professional opinion after all that. So, check in with you in a bit. What do you think, Mike?
Looks good. Good texture.
Great texture. Alright, here's my face super close up, just so you can see it. Wow, Mike. So it is 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. So that is just about 8 hours of wear, and let me see. It's looking pretty good. I don't see like separation. I was in the pool. We were outside most of today. I'm still like damp. My hair is damp. I think I like this foundation so far. I'm probably gonna do some more tests tomorrow, so check those out, I guess. Alright, so it is a new day and I've decided to test out the foundation in a different way. So on one side of my face is the foundation combo that I normally use, and on the other side of my face is the Bounce by Beauty Blender. So I won't let you know until after we've looked at it, but does my face look different at all on either side? And which side looks better? I guess I'll zoom you in a little closer to think about that. So here's one side of my face. And here's the other side of my face. Surprisingly, I feel like the colors are very similar. Like, I was not expecting for it to look that close in terms of color. I thought that you'd see like a clear line straight down my face. I'm actually sweating a bit because it is, again, like 90 something today, and with this light on and all of the fans off, it's real hot up in here. When I was putting on my makeup, I noticed that this side of my face was a little more difficult to blend out, and also like when I put my concealer on this side, it kind of took away some of the foundation, and I did not have that problem on this side of my face. Hey Mike, which side of my face looks better?
The left, as in your right side?
This side?
Yeah?
How come?
I don't know.
You don't know. You heard it here first, kids.
I feel
This
like-
side looks better. 'Cause he don't know.
It's just like the texture seems more smooth.
The texture seems more smooth. This is coming from a boy.
Yeah.
This side. Lights down so that you can kind of see the situation here. Like this side looks like smooth. Smoother. I mean, obviously, face is just, you know, there's like skin. And then over here, I feel like you can see like some texture here, like under my eye. My concealer did not blend in super well. I feel like you can see some of my skin through here because the concealer kind of took some of it off. Alright, let me know in the comments if you agree, and then I will reveal which side is which. The answer is this side, the winner, is actually Beauty Blender. So I might have a new foundation. I'm gonna probably keep testing it throughout the week. I'll probably do an update on this situation later on in the day, but I think it's been like 30 minutes to an hour since I put this on, and so far I like the way that my makeup put on better on this side. Alright, I just went and threw the ball outside with the dogs. It's 93 degrees outside. And then I cooked some food and it was even hotter. And then I ate some food, and this is what we're working with. Honestly, I asked my friends, I sent them a picture, I asked my mom, I asked my sister. Everyone thinks that both sides of my face look basically the same. So, the fact that both sides look so similar is like ridiculous to me. One more test. These sunglasses are really dirty. Alright, it's been like 30 minutes, so. Well, neither of them passed that one. I really don't think there's ever going to be a foundation that doesn't do that. If you have a foundation that doesn't do that, let me know, because I haven't found one. I dyed my hair last night, and I put the foundation on today, and I feel like my face looks gray or green. I don't know. Here. Does it look like gray to you? Alright, here's the plan. I'm going to take this foundation off, put my old foundation back on, and see if I still feel gray. Like maybe it's my hair color messing with what my face looks like, but I don't remember ever feeling like gray. Alright, officially it is my hair that is making the foundations look crazy. Maybe it's not a good hair color for me. Too bad I like it. Alright, so I'm wearing the foundation again today. I have been testing it out for about a week now, and I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like it works with my concealer better than my previous foundation did. I feel like it has a nice finish. I feel like it feels good on my skin. However, I'm not sure if I picked out the right color, and I feel like it looks potentially cakey close up. And I don't think that that's how I felt with my previous foundation. It's possibly more full coverage than I'm used to. That possibly might be why I feel cakey in it. I do think that it is a good formula for the right person. I think that it lasts pretty well. I think that if you can find your right shade, it has a good, like, not too dry, not too shiny formula. But I don't know if I'm going to necessarily be switching to this. I might wear it every once in a while. I might try it a couple more times. But I might just stick with what I usually do. Sorry I don't have a super definitive word on how I feel about this foundation. I guess that's just how I am in general. I tend to be more of a skeptic. I don't know, I'm a Libra, evening out the scales, something like that. I don't really follow that, all that jazz. So yeah, thanks for watching this review. I hope it was helpful in some way, but I think that's all I got for you. So until next time, don't ask questions, just go with it.